Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fancave. It is 5:32 a.m., August 14th, 2018. What I have today is an Evergo, very small ceiling fan, little industrial slash residential. Industrial motor with the 4 wooden residential blades. It's a very fast fan. I really like it. Somewhat tempted to actually install it in my bedroom, but we'll see how that goes. And without further ado, let's take it for a test spin, shall we? I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do click like and subscribe to my page called The Fancave. Check out my Facebook page of the same name. Before I get inundated with comments, hey, the blades are bent. Yes, I am aware that 2 of the blades are bent in the upward position. I tried spinning it around and noticed there was no wobble even with the blades because they're both symmetrically bent on each side. So decided just not to mess with it. I've tried to bend blade brackets before and had them snap on me. So I'm just going to leave them as they are and leave well enough alone. So anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.